Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ, anyị abịakwala n'ọzọ. Ndewonu. Olee otu unu dị taa? Olee otu ụbọchị gị dị? Obi dị anyị ụtọ na anyị na-ewetara gị ozi ọma site na chanel anyị a. N'ụbọchị taa, Nwaada Vivian ga-akọrọ anyị aha dị iche iche a na-akpọ ọkpụkpụ n'asụsụ Igbo. What I mean is this: we are going to be telling you the names of shapes in Igbo language. So babe, are you ready?
Yes.
So dịka anyị si eme ya na ndị nke mgbe anyị na-eme, aga m na-ajụ ya ajụjụ, njụọ ya agwa m aha a na-akpọ ọkpụkpụ n'asụsụ Igbo. So babe, we are going to start with the word circle. What do we call circle in Igbo language?
Okirikiri.
Correct. Okirikiri is circle. So you have learned it now, right? In case you don't know what okirikiri means circle. And we have an Igbo adage that says, okirikiri ka na-agba ukwu ose anaghị arị ya elu, meaning when you go to a pepper plant, you turn round. Round is that circular shape. You move in a circular motion to pluck the pepper. You don't climb it. So that being said, we move over to the next one, which is star. What do we call star in Igbo language?
Kpakpando.
Very good. So star is called kpakpando. Then we have another shape, crescent or half moon. What do we call it in Igbo language? Mpekere ọnwa. Accurate. Correct. That's good. So this kind of crescent moon, that shape is called mpekere ọnwa. Then we move over to the next one with the heart shape. Obi. Heart means obi. Obim, my heart. So that heart shape is called obi in Igbo language. Correct. Now we move over to rectangle. What do we call rectangle in Igbo language?
Rectangle. Ọgbara anọ.
Correct. Ọgbara anọ. Ọgbara anọ in Igbo language means what?
4.
Yes, 4. So that shape that has 4 sides is called rectangle. That's where we get the ọgbara anọ. It has 4 sides. Then what about square?
Ọgbara anọ raira.
Good. Ọgbara anọ raira, because square also have 4 angles. But this time around, all the angles are equal. So that's why we added ọgbara anọ raira. All the sides are equal. Okay? Very good. Now over to the shape triangle. What do we call triangle shape?
Ọgbara atọ.
Ọgbara atọ. Correct. It has just 3 angles. So the atọ in Igbo language is what? 3. Then now we move over to pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides?
5.
So now what do we call pentagon in Igbo language?
Ọgbara ise.
Good. So ise in Igbo language is 5. So now this one has 5 shapes. So we call it ọgbara ise. Then now we have heptagon. Heptagon has how many shapes?
6 sides.
6 sides, correct. So that's what we call heptagon. Now what's the name of heptagon in Igbo language?
Ọgbara isin.
Ọgbara isin. Very good. So isin in Igbo language is 6. So it has 6 sides, means ọgbara isin. That's heptagon. Over now to hexagon. Hexagon.
Ọgbara asaa.
Ọgbara asaa, correct. What is asaa in Igbo language?
7.
Asaa in Igbo language is 7. So having 7 sides makes it ọgbara asaa. You're really doing well. Over now to octagon. Octagon.
Ọgbara asatọ.
Good. Asatọ in Igbo language is what?
8.
8. So 8 means that the octagon has 8 sides. So it's ọgbara asatọ. Correct. Then now, nunagon.
Ọgbara itoolu.
Good. What is itoolu in Igbo language? 9. So it has 9 sides. So ọgbara itoolu. Then what about decagon?
Ọgbara iri.
What is iri in Igbo language?
10.
Good. So it has 10 sides. So that's why it's called ọgbara iri. Very good. Then we have this oval shape. Oval shape. What do you call oval shape in Igbo language?
Ọdịka akwa.
You know, the oval shape looks like an egg. So we now use that attribute of an egg to describe the oval shape. So odika akwa, or you said odika akwa. Wow, beautiful. So guys, I hope you have learned one or two from our video today. This video is like kind of a two set of video, in the sense that you're learning shape and you're also learning numbering in Igbo language from 1 to 10. So thank you very much, Nwada Vivian, for bringing this lecture to our attention. We appreciate what you're doing. Please keep it up. So friends and viewers, kindly like and share. Follow us on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. And thank you so much for being with us. Till we come your way next time, what do you say to our viewers?
Thank you.
And ndewono.
Bye.
Bye.